Hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel Food Tech Online. Today we are focusing on national and international food standards MCQs which were useful for ICAR-PG food science and technology students. So let us begin. Before we move on to the questions, let me tell you about our ebook which is launched for the ICAR-PG food science and technology students. It has major courses like the food chemistry and nutrition, food microbiology, food products and technology, food engineering, etc. And the link of the ebook is given in the description box. Question number 1. Food and Agricultural Organization, also called as FAO's headquarters is located at options are Rome, Paris, Geneva and New York. Correct answer is Rome. It is present in Italy. And this was FAO was established on 16th October 1945. It is an international organization of United Nations. It is an organization of United Nations, and its basic aim is to remove hunger and provide food security and nutritious food. So it helps the government and development agencies to coordinate and improve the agricultural, forestry, fisheries and water resources. And it comprises of 195 countries together to fight against hunger and provide nutritious food and food security to all over the countries. Question number 2. WHO was established in the year. Options are 1945, 1948, 1960, 1995. Correct option is 1948. WHO is World Health Organization, and it was established in the year 1948 in Geneva, Switzerland. Geneva, Switzerland. So it is an international public health organization, and it has got 6 regional offices with 150 field offices around the world. It promotes health and safety to vulnerable. It provides technical assistance to different countries, and it sets the international standards. It also collects the data on the global health. I'll tell you about the date also. It is the 7th April 1948. Question number 3. Codex Alimentarius Commission was established in 1963 by options are FAO and UN, FAO and WTO, FAO and WHO, WTO and WHO. So FAO is Food and Agricultural Organization. UN is United Nations. UN is United Nations. Then WTO is World Trade Organization. Then WHO is World Health Organization. World Health Organization. So here our correct option is option number C, FAO, that is Food and Agriculture Organization, and World Health Organization. So here our correct option is option number C, FAO and WHO. So question number 4. Codex Alimentarius Commission is located at options are Rome, Paris, Geneva and New York. Correct option is option A, Rome, and Rome is present in Italy. Now Codex Alimentarius Commission is jointly formed by Food and Agriculture Organization and World Health Organization, and this was established in May 1963. So it is a set of internationally recognized standards, codes of practices, guidelines which are recommended by Food and Agriculture Organization, and it is related to food production, labeling and safety. It also establishes standard for food additives, and it provides maximum levels of food additives in the food. It also provides limits for contaminants and residues for pesticides, etc. Question number 5. Codex General Principles of Food Hygiene introduces the use of options are FSMS, that is Food Safety Management, Food Safety Management Systems. Option B is Hazard Analysis, Hazard Analysis, Critical Control Point. QMS is Quality Management System, Quality Management System. And the last one is the ISMS, that is Information Security Management System. Management System. So here our correct option is the HACCP, that is Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. Now the codex is it is the body, or it is also called as Codex Alimentarius Commission. It is an international food standards body, and it ensures, or it has a collection of internationally recognized standards, codes of practices and guidelines which are related to food safety, production and labeling. So it establishes the food standards for various additives and define its maximum levels in food and its contaminants, etc. So they have got some general principles regarding food hygiene, and that introduces the use of HACCP. Now what is HACCP? It is an hazard analysis critical control point, and is a system that identifies, evaluates and controls the hazard, and hazard can be of different types. Now hazards can be of different types. It can be physical, chemical or biological hazard, or it can be a allergen, So these can be fatal, or these can cause various adverse health effects. So this is regarding food safety. So HACCP has to be followed. Now what is FSMS? It is Food Safety Management System. It is given to control the food safety hazards within the food business to ensure that the food is safe to eat. And it is a global standard which is given by the International Organization for Standardization, that is by ISO 22000. So the FSMS is given by, or it is also known as ISO 22000. And depending upon the different versions, as it was given in 2005 also, and then today it is available as 2018 as a revised version. So it can be written as this 2018. Then we have got QMS, that is Quality Management System. It is a system that documents the processes and procedures which are responsible for achieving quality, and it ensures that the products and services are in compliance with the customer and regulatory requirements. It contains various approaches like the planning, quality planning, then quality control, quality assurance, and quality improvement. Quality improvement. And the information and security system, it is not related to food exactly, but it is also a management system that manages and monitors the information security practices all in one place. Question number 6, MRL stands for, options are minimum residue level, maximum residue level, minimum residue limit, maximum residue limit. Correct option is option number B, maximum residue level. So this is the highest level of pesticide residue that can be tolerated legally in and on the food or feed when the pesticides are applied using the GMP, that is good manufacturing practices. Question number 7, CCFA stands for, options are Codex Committee on Food Adulterant, Food Additives, Fruit Additives and Fat Additives. Correct option is option number B, Codex Committee on Food Additives. So this is a branch of Codex and it deals with, so firstly it sets standards for or the limits of how the additives has to be used. Secondly, it lists the additives. It prepares the list of additives. And thirdly, it develops the method of analysis for the additives. Method of analysis. So here our correct option is option number B, Codex Committee on Food Additives. Question number 8. Joint committee which considers chemical, toxicological and other aspects of contaminants and residues of veterinary drugs in foods and human consumption. Options are GECFA, GEMRA, JMPR, JEMNU. And the correct option is option number A, JECFA. So its long form is Joint Expert Committee on Food Additives. Joint Expert Committee on Food Additives. So this was jointly administered, or this was jointly established by FAO and WHO, that is Food Agricultural Organization and World Health Organization, and it was established in 1956. So this provides scientific advice pertaining to safety evaluation of the additives. It also develops the method of risk assessment of the chemicals in food, and it also covers the food additives, contaminants, naturally occurring toxins, residues of veterinary drugs in food. Question number 9, which agency provides support on levels of food irradiation or radionuclide contamination in food? Options are International Atomic Energy Agency, second option is OIE, third is ISO and last one is FAO. Correct option is option number A, International Atomic Energy Agency. So this was found, the headquarters of this organization is Vienna, Austria, and it was founded on 29th July 1957. So it aims at promoting irradiation. So this promotes irradiation because irradiation is a alternate method of food preservation, because it it controls the spoilage and foodborne illnesses without affecting taste of the food. The second organization is OIE, that is World Organization, World Organization for Animal Health. Animal Health. So this is an organization which it is an intergovernmental organization. It was founded in 1924 and it headquarters at Paris, France. So it ensures the sanitary and safety of the international trade of the animal and animal products, and it also with regards to the risk relating to animal diseases including transmissible diseases. So its main objective is to control the diseases which are created from the animals or animal products and to prevent the spread of these diseases. Third one is the ISO. Now, ISO is an international organization for standardization. International organization for standardization. So this was the headquarters of this is in Geneva, Switzerland. Geneva, Switzerland, and this was founded on 23rd February 1947. So this develops the standards to ensure the quality, safety and efficiency of the products, services and the system. The last one is the FAO, that is Food and Agriculture Organization. Food and Agricultural Organization, and this is specially developed by the UN, that is United Nations, and it leads to the international efforts to defeat the hunger and improve the nutrition as well as the food security. Question number 10. NCCP stands for options of National Codex Contact Point, National Codex Committee Point, National Committee Contact Point, National Committee Codex Point, and the correct option is option number A, National Codex Contact Point. So this is an agency which is in regards with the codex, and it keeps the liaison with the codex and coordinates the codex activities, particularly in India. So this is National Codex Contact Point. It will vary according to the country. Question number 11. NCCP is located at options are Hyderabad, New Delhi, Goa, none of this. Now NCCP stands for National Codex Contact Point. Now it is a branch of the codex where it coordinates the codex activities, particularly in India. So the headquarters of this is located at the correct option will be option number B, New Delhi. So the contact point will differ according to the country. So particularly in India, the NCCP is located at New Delhi. Question number 12. ISO 22000 deals with options are ISMS. Now this is Information Security Management. Security Management System, and it deals with the information. It deals with the framework that enables to manage and monitor, review and improve the information security practices all in one place. So it is given by ISO 27001. So this is ISO 27001. The second option, which is FSMS, this is Food Safety Management System. Food Safety Management System, and this is our correct option because this is given by ISO 22000. So the food safety management system is a systematic approach to control the food safety hazards within the food business, and it is a global standard, and the ISO is a non-governmental body which was established in 1947, and it has got various standards for the quality assurance. The third one is the QMS, that is quality management system. Quality management system. So this is it is a system that documents the processes and procedures and responsibilities for achieving the quality to ensure the product and services are in compliance with the customers as well as regulatory requirements. So it includes the quality planning, quality control, quality assurance, and quality improvement. The last one is the EMS. Now EMS is environmental management system. So EMS is it helps an organization to address its requirement in cost effective manner. For example, it reduces the water waste or air emission or the waste generation. So EMS is environmental management system, and it is given by the ISO standard ISO 1401. So it is environmental management system. Question number 13, ISO 17025, that is 1725, deals with options are option A, testing laboratory quality control system, option B, quality management system, option C is inspection, testing and calibration and product certification system, and option D is environmental management system. So here our correct option is option number A, testing laboratory quality control system. So this ISO 1725, it helps an organization with the testing, sampling, calibration, etc., which are specially useful in the laboratory practices. So this is given by ISO 1725. The other things like the quality management system, this is given by ISO 9000, ISO 9001, and it was revised in 2015. And the EMS, that is environmental management system, it is given by the ISO 1401. Question number 14, GMP stands for, options are good manufacturing practices, good manufacturing plants, good manufacturing plans, good manufacturing progress. So here the correct option is option number A, good manufacturing practices. So good manufacturing practices, it is a guideline. So these are the guidelines to manufacture the product safely, and it ensures that the product is safe and fit for consumption or their intended use. It also ensures the quality, and it also provides the guidelines to prevent errors during the processing. This is very essential, specifically in the food processing plants. Question number 15, ICMSF stands for, options are International Commission on Microbiological Specifications for Food, option B is International Commission on Microbiological System for Food, option C is International Committee on Microbiological System for Food, and option D is International Committee on Microbiological Specifications for food. So here our correct option is option number A, International Commission on Microbiological Specifications for food. So this organization was formed in 1962, and it evaluates the issues and contributes to emerging food safety concern. It also reduces the microbiological foodborne illnesses and food spoilage, and it facilitates the global trade. So it contributes to the emerging food safety concerns. That is its main role. Question number 16. Which of the following joint FAO or WHO expert scientific committees deals with the foodborne parasite? Options are JCFA, option B is JMPR, option C is JEMRA, option D is none of the above, and the correct option is option number C, JEMRA. So JEMRA stands for Joint Expert Meetings on Microbiological Risk Assessment. Risk Assessment. So this meetings began in 2000, in the year 2000, and it aims to develop and optimize the utility of the microbial risk assessment, and it controls the microbial hazards in the food. That's why it deals with the foodborne parasites or any type of microbial hazards in the food. Now GMPR stands for Joint FAO or WHO Meeting on Pesticide Residue. So Joint Meeting on pesticide residue. Pesticide residue. So this was developed in 1963, and it conducts the scientific evaluation of the pesticide residues in the food, and it also gives the acceptable levels for the pesticide used in the food, or the acceptable residual limits for the pesticides in the food. And this is option A is JECFA. Now this stands for Joint Expert Committee. Joint Expert Committee on Food Additives. And this deals with the advice. It provides the scientific advice pertaining to safety evaluation of the additives, and it also develops the method of the risk assessment of the chemicals in the food. It also covers the food contaminants and naturally occurring toxins, residues of the veterinary drugs in the food. This organization was established in 1956. Question number 17. SPS under WTO stands for, options are standards, prevention and specifications, sanitary and phytosanitary measures, specifications for product and supplements, safety and prevention sickness. Correct option is sanitary and phytosanitary measures. So SPA stands for Agreement on Sanitary and Phytosanitary and Phytosanitary measures under WTO. Now WTO is World Trade Organization. World Trade Organization. So this was an international treaty which was signed by the World Trade Organization, and this came into force in 1955. So this SPS came into force in 1955 along with the formation of World Trade Organization. It aims in protecting human and animal and plant life from certain risks, and it is closely related to Agreement on Technical Barriers to Trade, that is TBT. It ensures that this SPS ensures that the traded products do not spread pests and diseases, and also they do not contain any harmful substances or pathogen that could pose a risk to human health. Question number 18. Which organization aims to secure coordinated effective action to prevent and control the introduction and spread of the pest of plants and plant products? So here the correct options are IPPC, OIE, ISO and FAO. Correct option is option number A, IPPC. So this stands for International Plant Protection Convention. International Plant Protection Convention. It was established on 6 December 1951 and it was founded in Rome, Italy. So this aims to control the introduction and spread of the pest of the plant and plant products. The other organization, the OIE, is the Organization for World Organization for Animal Health. ISO is the International Organization for Standardization, and FAO is Food Agricultural Organization. All these other institutes are mentioned in the earlier slides. Question number 19. Which country is the regional coordinator for FAO or WHO Coordinating Committee for Asia? That is CCASIA. So options are China, Sri Lanka, India and Bangladesh, and the correct option is option number A, China. So this committee, that is the Coordinating Committee for Asia, it promotes the coordination of all the regions and it also defines and promotes the information of concerns and food standards within these regions. Question number 20. TBT stands for, options are total barriers to trade, technical barriers to trade, total barriers to transportation, technical barriers to transportation. And the correct option is option number B, technical barriers to trade. So this is a part of World Trade Organization, and it ensures smooth running of the trade which is carried out throughout the world with various goods. So this was formed along with the date of World Trade Organization, that is 1st January 1955, and it establishes procedures and rules regarding the regulation of development of the product standards and technical regulation. It also ensures that testing and certification procedures are similar on the lines of trade throughout the world. There are different technical barriers, for example, shelf life conditions, size, weight, ingredients, labels. These might differ with the different countries. So different countries might have different standards regarding all these technical barriers. To remove all these technical barriers and to carry out the trade smoothly, this organization works. So we have completed the questions and this is our application FoodTech Online. This will help you prepare for your exams such as FSSAI exam, GATE or state FAOs. It covers all the major subjects like the food processing, food chemistry, food engineering, food microbiology. It will prepare you thoroughly for your exam and it has got a number of sets of the questions. So please go through this app and the link of this is given in the description box. So please join our app. Thank you for your attention and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also join us on the social media, link of which is given in the description box. All the best for your ICAR exam.